Rozjebali mi koleso.
Hello! We're at Shotsu and we're having fun. We're not as tired as we've been on ultras. The car is ready, driving really good, and I'm crazy happy.
American YouTube.
Last time you saw us, we've been at ultras and we were very stressed and we didn't know why the stress is going, probably because of the people with the public that was at the ultras and no preparation for the event. Now I feel like on vacation. I'm really happy. The feeling I have are amazing. and I think everyone, the vibes and everyone are very happy, and we were very cool. So the drive is good, the car is good. I repaired the car after ultra race, everything is now working perfectly, so I'm really happy. Zajebiście! Everything works fine. The car is perfect, no overheating, nothing. Everything is like should be, but we cool car every 3 laps.
Yeah.
So it will not crazy temperature.
Okay.
So I'm really happy about everything. So.
Okay, and how about your clutch?
My clutch?
Yeah.
It's sometimes slipping a little bit, but it's because of the plate, because plate is normal organic plate, like a stock. And normally, usually I use Kevlar plates. So it sometimes slips a little bit, but it's okay. It was fantastic, phenomenal, awesome. I can't find any other words than that was amazing day.
It was fine drift.
Yeah, it was a good drift, fine drift. Thank you, Piotr. Thank you. Second day of Shotsu after a clear sky and full sun. Now it started raining, but for us it's really good because the layout for today is very long and we killed the tires. So I already made like 10 laps and I killed almost all the tires, which we put the fresh set on the car. So hopefully the rain will little cool down the tarmac, the surface, the asphalt, and we can drive constantly all day long today. So I don't know, this is the great event as we mentioned yesterday, and everyone have fun. So I'm jumping into the car and start driving more. issue. The car is a little up and something wrong with the drivetrain. I don't know why, I don't know what, and I need to check it now. So we got the situation, I just broke the transmission, so I already unscrewed the drive shaft, the exhaust, and now the boys are fighting with the transmission.
Tyś kurwa robił, ja.
Yeah, good. Jest tam ktoś pod autem?
Nie.
Dobra.
Macie młotek?
Kurwa, ale było zamieszane.
To si robisz, piciu. Ujebali mi koleso. Gdzie mam moje koleso? Dajcie mi koleso!
Drugie miejsce, Bączak. Zapraszamy. Wiedzieliśmy, że tak, gonił w górę 900 konne swoim kompocikiem. Gratulacje.
Okay, so this is the end of the Shotsu event. It was amazing time. I had great time. Even we need to change the transmission. I have like, I don't know, it was awesome. I love the vibe, I love everything. So now, this is the end of the event. Thank you Shotsu crew. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.